Namaskar, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about astrological diamonds. In market, two kinds of diamonds are available. One are astrological diamonds. They are more effective as far as astrological effects are concerned. They have a little bit of haziness inside, a little bit of blackness also. These diamonds are very effective and they give all the results that are connected with Lakshmi ji. They give money, wealth, financial stability, finances, luxury, material goods. In addition to that, diamonds are said to improve the shine in the aura. What happens is the magnetic pull of a person increases when he wears an astrological diamond, and those who are dealing with him in any way are automatically attracted towards him and give more weightage to his words and consider him to be a more important person. So astrological diamonds are very, very useful in improving your finances, in giving you a better life, in giving you a better personality. When we look at these diamonds, then the kind of diamond you should be wearing is of this kind. On its certificate it should be clearly written natural diamond, and in comments NA, means not applicable. There is no need for comments, it's a perfect diamond. But its grading, like its color, clarity is not needed because that is not there in astrological diamonds. These diamonds, when you see them by the naked eye, they look like this. They are shining, they are clear, but if you see it with a very close eye or with a eyeglass, then you will see little inclusions in it, also certain black marks. That is the property that it is a natural diamond and will have a lot of astrological effect in it. There are other diamonds in the same category which have been treated. So these treated diamonds are actually cleared from inside through laser beams, and then certain glass or some other element is added into it to make it look more shining, more beautiful. So these diamonds doesn't have much of astrological effect in them. It is clearly written in such certificates, natural diamonds. Fracture filling has been done to make the feathers less apparent. The internal inclusions are dubbed, or inclusions are somehow made to look weak, so that by naked eye you are not able to look at them and you are actually fooled and you buy a diamond which has been fracture filled. It looks good, but it is of no value. These diamonds will look like this. They will also be very similar to a naked eye, because to a non-trained eye it will be the same. So an ordinary person cannot make the difference between the two gemstones, and he buys this kind of gemstone which is treated. He thinks it's a better gemstone, but it doesn't have any astrological value. It doesn't even have a proper jewelry value, and it is a very, very cheap gemstone. Then comes the case for a jewelry diamond. A jewelry diamond will have this kind of certificate. It will be written on it that its color is N to O, clarity is I, but these things are not there in a astrological diamond, so they doesn't have much value as far as astrological purposes are concerned, but as a jewel it's good. These diamonds are very, very effective if worn properly. One thing more you should keep in mind, that when you are wearing a astrological diamond, take it off every 15-20 days, wash it with a little bit of warm water and soap so that they remain shining, because they have an affinity for grease. They automatically attract grease, oil, these kind of things on them, and a layer is made which makes it less shiny, and even its power to absorb the cosmic rays of Venus comes less. So you should wear these diamonds properly. They will have a lot of good effect on you, both on the material side as well as on the personality side. So they should be born on a Friday before 7:30 in the morning, after jap of Shukra mantra, and puja of Lakshmi ji should be performed regularly. It will have a lot of good effect on you. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you.